Okay, got the install on a JCBJS220 excavator. There's our pilot pump. We're coming off the filter with a T there. High pressure line. Teed into the main boom with the float valve here. Use the hoses for now. I may rearrange that a little bit better later on, but works for now. Got our bucket valve teed back into the tank return right here, and some of our pilot valves on the front. The bulk of them happen to be on the back, which is kind of hard to see down in there, to be honest, but we had to go from all British fittings to the JIC number 4, and of course over here is our boom and dipper valve.